Every single stitch you see on this leather seat, done by hand. All 300,000 of them. And that's just one part of a process that takes 6 months.
All 300,000 of them. And that's just one part of a 6-month process.
This is where 2,000 craftspeople turn raw materials into $500,000 machines.
Welcome to Goodwood, England. Let's go inside. The Goodwood Factory opened in 2003 on a 42-acre site in West Sussex.
It was designed to blend into the South Downs National Park. Even the roof is covered in grass.
Inside, there are no dark assembly lines, no robotic arms, just light, space, and people.
Over 2,000 skilled artisans work here. Leather workers,
Woodworkers,
engineers, artists.
most trained for years before ever touching a Rolls Royce. Some apprenticed for a decade.
The average employee has been here over 15 years. Expertise isn't hired, it's grown.
The factory runs on sustainable energy. Even the transport vehicles inside are electric and silent.
Every single component is inspected multiple times before it ever reaches a car.
This is also where customers come to design their cars, to choose every single detail.
44,000 colors to choose from. Or you can create your own.
At night, the building rests. But come morning, the craft begins again.
Every Rolls Royce body starts as sheets of aluminum, lighter than steel, easier to shape.
This is one of the few places you'll see robots. They handle the structural welding.
But every weld is then finished by hand, smoothed, perfected, made invisible.
The body panels move through the factory on an overhead system. Slowly, methodically. Before paint, every panel is checked under special lighting. Even dust particles are removed.
The paint booth is cleaner than a hospital operating room. Contaminants are the enemy. Each car receives multiple coats: primer, base, color, clear coat, then hand polished.
Every color is mixed specifically for that one car, matched to the customer's exact specification.
The goal? A finish so perfect you could shave in the reflection.
The paint process alone takes 5 days. Rush it, and imperfections appear.
After drying, each panel is hand polished for hours. Machines can't match the human touch.
Inspectors check every inch. Any flaw, no matter how small, means starting over. Two-tone paint jobs require additional masking. Every line must be surgically straight. When a body emerges from paint, it's already a work of art. But we're just getting started.
That perfect shine you see, it takes over 100 hours to achieve.
Now we enter the leather shop, where elven bull hides become one interior.
Each hide is inspected by hand. Barbed wire scars, insect bites, stretch marks, all rejected.
Only the very best sections make the cut. Sometimes just 40% of a hide is usable.
The cutting is computer guided but human controlled. Every piece must be perfect.
Over 400 leather pieces make up a single phantom interior, each one cataloged.
The leather is specially treated to stay soft for decades. No cracking, no fading.
Now the stitching begins. And this is where true mastery shows.
Every stitch is exactly the same distance apart. 8 stitches per inch, no exceptions.
A single seat takes over 17 hours to stitch, and there are 4 seats minimum. The curves are the hardest part. One wrong move and the leather puckers. Start over.
New apprentices practice for months on scrap leather before touching real components.
Contrast stitching is popular. White on black, blue on cream. Every thread visible.
Customers can request custom embroidery, initials, family crests, personal symbols.
Diamond quilting alone adds days to the process. But look at that geometry.
Fitting leather to the seat frame is like tailoring a bespoke suit. Wrinkle-free.
Steam helps the leather conform to complex shapes. Then it sets permanently.
Before a seat leaves this workshop, it's inspected stitch by stitch. Literally.
Even the steering wheel is hand wrapped. The driver will touch this thousands of times. When complete, a Rolls Royce interior contains enough leather to cover a small apartment.
Next door is the wood shop, where trees become dashboard art.
Rolls Royce uses only the rarest wood, walnut burls, aged oak, sustainably sourced.
Each log is sliced into veneers just 0.6 millimeters thick, thinner than cardboard.
Veneers are book matched, meaning the pattern flows perfectly from piece to piece.
The grain must align across every panel, door to door, dashboard to console.
These patterns took decades to form in the tree. Now they'll live forever in the car. Each veneer is bonded to an aluminum substrate. Light but rigid, won't warp.
After bonding, each piece is hand sanded. The craftsman feels more than sees.
Between coats, the wood must cure. Rushing creates bubbles. Patience is mandatory. 12 coats of lacquer, applied by hand, sanded between each coat. The piano black finish takes longest. 50 hours of polishing. No shortcuts.
Custom inlays are available. Contrasting woods, metals, even precious stones.
Under bright lights, any imperfection glows. Dust trapped in lacquer means rejection.
When fitted, the wood must align perfectly with leather and metal. No gaps. The finished wood glows. Touch it, and you feel 50 hours of human dedication. Now for something magical. The Starlight Headliner. 1,300 hand-placed lights.
Each light is a fiber optic strand, thinner than a human hair. Every single fiber is hand-placed, pierced through the leather backing, one by one.
It takes one technician an entire week to complete a single headliner.
Customers can request specific constellations, their birthday sky, a meaningful date.
Each fiber is tested individually. Dead lights means starting over.
Each fiber is tested individually. Dead lights mean starting over. The lights can twinkle, just like real stars. Software controls the shimmer. Some customers add shooting stars. Programmed light sequences across the ceiling.
At night, sitting in a Rolls Royce feels like floating through space.
This feature alone costs $20,000 extra, and it's their most popular option.
Some things you buy for transportation. This you buy for the feeling. How everything comes together. The marriage of body, chassis, and soul.
The V12 engine drops in first. 6.7 liters of hand-assembled power.
Miles of wiring connect every system. Each connection hand-checked twice.
The marriage. When chassis meets body, hundreds of bolts must align perfectly. Every bolt is torqued to exact specifications. Too loose or tight means failure.
The dashboard slides in as one unit. All that wood and leather, don't scratch it.
Door panels click in. Leather meets wood meets metal. No gaps anywhere.
The wheels go on last. 21 inches of forged aluminum. Rolling sculpture.
And now, the most iconic moment. The spirit of ecstasy.
This ornament has topped every Rolls Royce since 1911. Designed by Charles Sykes.
The mounting is exact. The figure must lean at precisely the right angle.
Once secured, this spirit will lead this car for decades, maybe a century. When a car rolls off the line, it's been touched by hundreds of hands. But each one feels personal. These craftspeople sign their work.
Somewhere inside every Rolls Royce, the people who built it left their names.
Before any Rolls Royce leaves Goodwood, it faces the final judgment. Panel gaps must be uniform within millimeters. Consistency is perfection. Under inspection lights, even a fingerprint shadow shows. Everything must be flawless.
The doors must close with that signature Rolls Royce sound. Solid, confident, final.
In the acoustic chamber, they test for silence. A Rolls Royce must be a sanctuary.
At highway speed, the interior stays library quiet. Any rattle means rejection.
Now comes the road test. Every car is driven on public roads.
Through the Sussex countryside, the test driver evaluates everything.
Steering feel, brake response, suspension compliance, everything must exceed expectations. The V12 must pull smoothly from 0 to 60 in 5 seconds, effortlessly.
Only after passing every test does a car earn the spirit of ecstasy.
6 months ago, these were just raw materials. Now they're someone's dream come true.
In a world of mass production, this factory proves handcraft still matters.
Each car ships to its owner across the world. A piece of Goodwood goes with it.
$500,000, 6 months, 2,000 hands, one perfect machine.